Welcome back to Midday Kentucky. All right, we're just outside downtown Lexington in a big building that has some of the coolest stuff I think I've ever seen. I'm here with David of Kre8Now Makerspace. Thank you so much for having us here.
Thanks for coming. We're glad to have you.
Okay, the things that go on here are just, I mean, it's amazing. You have all different kinds of rooms. Tell us what Kre8Now is.
Yeah, we're really excited to offer a lot of stuff to the members who come here and to the community at large. And we're kind of divided into two halves. One side is more industrial, one side is more classroom and technical. But right now we're in the laser room. So we have a laser system here that does etching and cutting. And on this half of the makerspace, we also have 3D printers and vinyl cutters, a whole sewing suite, screen printing suite, so you can screen print t-shirts or posters, all kinds of equipment that our members come and learn how to use and can start making right away.
Okay, David, you're talking about your members. So how does this work? Somebody gets a membership and they have access to all the goods?
That's exactly right. It's a community workshop. People join like a gym. You pay a monthly fee, and as a member, you have access to the space 24/7. So you can come in at a time that's convenient to you and work on the projects. If you're experienced, great, go right at it. If you don't have that experience, we offer classes every week to get people trained and exposed to and safely using the equipment we have here. In this part of the makerspace, we have a sewing suite, we have 3D printers, we have laser cutters and etchers and silkscreen. On the other side, we have more heavy industrial equipment, wood shop and plasma cutters and welding equipment and CNC routers. But by having all of that equipment, anyone can really come in the door with an idea, prototype that, turn it into a product, start a crafting project, or work on something major like building a deck or an art installation.
Okay, let's talk about the 3D printing. How's that work?
3D printing is very popular here. We teach classes in it and people are very interested in it. It's a filament that's on a coil that comes through essentially a high-tech glue gun, and it prints layer by layer, and anything that you have a computer file for, you can convert into an actual 3D printed model.
And then everybody, or the members, can take that and sell that product.
They can 3D print items that they sell. They could also prototype something inexpensively through that filament and then make that same item out of wood or metal or some other substance.
That's super cool. You said somebody here even makes violins.
That's right. We have a violin maker here who has his own studio, because we do offer private studios for makers. And we have a wood turner, a glass blower, a Halloween prop maker. It's a very eclectic, exciting group of people who all come together. And one of the best things about the makerspace is the community itself. So oftentimes people will come here because they want access to the wood shop, but once they're here, they see what other people are making, get inspired, learn how to do something else that wasn't their original intent, but they've learned how to make something new.
Like make a shirt. Could you teach me how to make a shirt?
Absolutely. We screen print here all the time. We had a screen printing class just 2 weeks ago. Everybody left with a shirt that they made, and it's pretty neat.
So you have budding fashion designers as well.
We do. You name it, we've got a space for you here.
Okay, if somebody wants to join, how do they get a hold of you?
It's very easy. You just go on the website, www.kre8now.com, and you can join on the website. We have open houses here every Thursdays from 7 to 9, so you can come in and tour the facility, find out what we have here, see it firsthand, and join online.
Okay, very cool. And you have a discount, I think, for us?
We do. We have a 50% discount with a discount code of Midday50.
There you go, Midday50. Come get your creativity on here.
We'd love to have you.
Thank you so much for offering such a great space. I think the ideas are going off in the head. It could get dangerous, guys.
Yeah, we'll see you down here. We'll be making stuff soon.
Yes, thank you, David. Midday Kentucky will be right back.